Hey guys, Griffin Cooper here with Ablewaytech, and I wanted to go through a daily debriefing of our trades from yesterday, October 27th, 2022. So we have here on our Owl bundle our indicators on Thinkorswim, but this works on any platform, and I reduced a sniper layout here. So we were trading, as we always do with Kata Challenge, good old EWZ, the Brazil ETF. And the first trade we took here was a short went across the PSAR, normal entry right here. And we don't see it here, but over to the left of the chart here, there was a higher high. So this became a Kata 2 to the downside when it price crossed through the dragon there. So we entered with our initial stop right here at the RL10 high and then just trailed it down. Went down to test yesterday's, this was the high of the day before, and then started to reverse, crossed over the PSAR, so we exited. That was an automatic entry, a stop and reverse for an SSC here, as we had this harsh winter down. Price crossed over, so got long here, and that was a quick stop out, but it didn't fail. It actually kept going, and with SSCs especially, I always allow myself a re-entry. So it came back up, so I just bought it at that same place. Again, just used a simple trail stop on this one, and sometimes you get lucky, and must have been some kind of a news announcement or something in Brazil, but it shot up, and thanks to our trail stop, it just went right up and trailed it as this giant bar happened. So we exited here when it pulled back 1R for 6.48, about 6 on the day as a reward to risk. So we had about half an R minus a little under an R, and then 6.5, so that our net for the day was 6.12 R using reward to risk multiples. Pretty good day. And this trail stop here is a good example of why we want our stops in the market. There's a good video we just released about that. Check that out, how to avoid one of the biggest trading mistakes. So these are all patterns that we teach in the Kata Challenge and part of the Applied Systems Development course. You can check out ablewaytech.com for more information and special deals about that. We have a question and answer coaching session coming up in November. We'll keep on trading. Thanks for watching.